Hello friends, Hannah with you. Today I prepared a tutorial for a super spectacular top which will embellish you and your future summer, which is very soon. And if you want to prepare for it with me, then check your subscription, show that you are here by your like, and let's start. So I'll be using this yarn, coral, and it's 100% acrylic, 18 grams, 220 meters in this color, and it is silk to the touch. And also you will need scissors, a 2.5mm hook, a pair of markers and measuring tape. So let's start. From our slip knot. Then I chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over into the second stitch from the hook, make a half double crochet, and in the next one 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and make 1 stitch, turn your work, yarn over, and we make in every stitch 1 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then 1 chain, turn over work, and repeat this pattern. Then again 1 chain, yarn over, and half double crochet in every stitch. So we continue doing this until we have our desired length. I'll be crocheting until I have 17 inches, and then we meet again. So I finished with my strap, and it has 17 inches. So let's mark our outer side with a marker, and then we will do this panel. I have already crocheted this one, and we will start from this point. So chain 1, turn over work on the outer side, and then we put here in the first stitch 1 half double crochet, then in the middle stitch 2 half double crochets, so 3 half double crochets, 2 and 3, and we made an increase, and then we put only 1 half double crochet, then chain 1 and crochet without any increases on this side. So 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Now we have 5 stitches, and chain 1, turn over work, and now we will crochet in this way. So we put 1 half double crochet, but we start and we finish our row putting our stitch on both loops of the stitch. So 1, then in this one only on the one loop, 2, and in the middle stitch we also do an increase, so we put here 3 half double crochets, only one loop, 1, 2 and 3, and then 1/2 double crochet, and it's the last stitch, 1/2 double crochet on both loops like this. Then chain 1 on this side without marker. We do not do any increases, so we put 1/2 double crochet, then on this one loop another, and 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. But remember about this loop, both about the stitch, both loops of the stitch. Chain 1 and continue our pattern. 1/2 double crochet, then 2 and 3, and in this middle stitch 3/2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then again 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. And then again chain 1, do not any increases. And the last one, chain 1, turn over work, and on this side where we have our marker, we will increase middle stitch with 3/2 double crochet. So this will be our pattern till you get your desired length of your panel, and we will meet again. So I have finished my panel, and let's see how many inches it has. So begin from this point, and I have about 13.5 inches, and this is our outer side, we mark it. And now we will crochet this net. So let's begin. So we should do 4 stitches, then turn our work, yarn over, skip 1 stitch, and in the next one make 1 double crochet, then again 1 stitch, yarn over, skip 1, in the next one 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, yarn over, in the next 1 double crochet, and continue this way until you get end of the row. So I have finished my net and my panel, and now your task is to make another panel identical to this. So when you will have your 2 panels, we will meet again, and I will show you what to do next. And now we should have to do our cord. So I want it to be about 3 meters, and for this I should leave the tip of the thread approximately 3 times more, so it's 9 meters. Then this tip of the thread we put here, and our working yarn this way, and then we start with our slip knot, and then we will do in the next way. So we yarn over this thread like this and working yarn pull through both loops. Then again this yarn over and then pull through two. Then again in this way pull through two and pull through two. So in this way we will do our cord until the end of our thread. Yeah. So do this and we will meet again. So I have finished my cord. It is very long and this is how it looks like. And now we need to stick this strap between these sails. So let's start. We do it this way with our hook. So in this way you continue till our end of another panel. So we have finished and we got such a spectacular top. So if you want more tutorials for something, write in the comments which exactly, and don't forget to put your like, and until new meetings, bye!